Appeals Court to hear contentions on Trump's travel boycott. Reuters by Dan Levine. San Francisco, the U.S. Equity Department will go head-to-head with adversaries in a government claims court on Tuesday over the destiny of President Donald Trump's permanent travel restriction on individuals from 7 Muslim lion's-share nations, his most dubious move since making office last month. The Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco is to hear contentions about whether to re-establish the restriction from Justice Department legal advisors and contradicting lawyers for the conditions of Minnesota and Washington at 3 p.m. PST 2300 GMT. Trump's January 27 official request banned passage for residents from Iran, Iraq, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, Syria and Yemen for 90 days and forced a 120-day stop on all exiles. A government judge in Seattle, reacting to a test by Washington State, suspended the request last Friday, opening a window for individuals from the influenced nations to enter the United States, pending the interests process. Trump, a Republican who took office on January 20, has guarded the boycott as important to shield the nation from the danger of psychological warfare, and has denounced court decisions against it. "I really can't trust that we're fighting to ensure the security, in a court framework, to ensure the security of our country," Trump said at an occasion with sheriffs at the White House on Tuesday. The Islamic State aggressor assemble had undermined to penetrate the United States and different nations through the relocation, he said. And afterward we're not permitted to be extreme on the general population coming in. Clarify that one. Fault finders of the boycott have called it unfair against Muslims and have scrutinized its incentive as a safety effort. Every one of the general population who completed deadly assaults roused by Islamist militancy in the United States since the September 11, 2001, assaults were U.S. subjects or legitimate occupants. The New America think tank says none went to the United States or were from a family that emigrated from one of the nations recorded in the travel boycott, it says. bit.ly or 2ksmuo. Although the legitimate battle about Trump's boycott is eventually about how much power a president needs to choose who can and can't enter the United States, the Interests Court is set to lead after Tuesday's hearing on a smaller inquiry of whether the Seattle court had the grounds to stop Trump's order. Trump